Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. And as you can see that I have got three lines here. So let's do the analysis and try to understand these lines. So first and foremost, I'll request you, my dear friends, if you do not have these lines in your trading platform or charting platform, then please draw these lines so that you can also understand the market better and analyze the chart better. So the most important level or the crucial level on the chart of Euro USD is this 1.1712. And I have been talking about this line for quite some time because this line is acting as a, or this price level will be acting as a support, a strong support for the Euro USD, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. If we go to the weekly chart here, then you can see that this level was an important support for the Euro USD, because previously also you can see that whenever Euro USD faced selling pressure, then it was the level 1712 was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore, still 1712, 1.1712 still remains the important crucial support for the Euro USD. But right now you can see that market is trading far away from this support level. Therefore, apart from keeping this line in our chart, we also need to concentrate on these two particular lines here. So if I remove these lines, then you can see that overall the market was in downtrend. Then right now, if you just understand the chart, then right now you can see that market is trying to go up. So overall the chart is not very much convincing here, because this is not a trending market. And as we all know, trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to markets like this. So this kind of market sometimes confuses us, and therefore we need to draw lines like this. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter also, if you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 37% retail traders have taken short position and 62% retail traders have taken long position, which means that 62% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up and 37% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. And you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under Forex 101 section. So therefore, if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, then it seems that retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. But and if you look at the present chart setup also, then it is quite convincing that, and looks like that market is ready to go up, or go up from here. But 90% retail traders lose money, so that's a factor that really worries us. So I'll tell you to only trust your own analysis, trust your own judgment. For this, you need to understand these two lines. And apart from this line, this support here, the most important line is this trend line, which is the dynamic resistance for the market. If I zoom out the chart, then you can see that there is a line coming from all the way up here, and still this line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore, my dear friend, if you do not have this line in your charting platform, then please draw this line, because this line is really acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and you can clearly see on the chart as well. So in case market goes up from here, then obviously you can short the market at this trend line if market reverses. Therefore, do not miss the opportunity and draw this line in the trading platform right away. And so we have discussed this line, we have discussed this line, and only this line is left. So for this, you can see that this trend line, if you draw this trend line in your trading platform, then you can see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic support for the market. This was the resistance, dynamic resistance, and this is the dynamic support for the market, sorry, DS. So, and you can see that whenever market is coming down to this particular line here, market is going up. And if we consider this support here, then it looks like that Euro USD is in a good position to go for a buy here. So I'll say that yes, Euro USD seems to be in a good position to buy, because apart from this support here, you can see that stochastic RSI is also giving us an indication that market is in oversold zone. So first condition is market is in support. Second condition, market is oversold. And the third condition is DXY, which means the chart of US dollar. If you go to the chart of US dollar, we can see that US dollar is following this trend line as a resistance for the market. Whenever market is going up, it is facing resistance from this trend line. So, and as we all know, and I have already discussed in my other videos as well, that US dollar has direct correlation with the Euro USD and Pound USD. If dollar goes up, then you will see Euro USD going down. If dollar is going down, you will see Euro USD going up. And right now you can see that dollar is facing resistance from this trend line, and there is a possibility that US dollar will be going down. And if Euro US dollar starts going down from here, then definitely Euro USD will start going up from here. So considering these three possibilities, there is a possibility that market may go up from here. Therefore, you can go for a buy here, but I will request you, my dear friend, that please follow proper risk management, because this is market. We never know. Okay, we never know what will happen, because traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. Our analysis may fail also, because the big players may think otherwise. So my dear friends, please do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and only trade wisely, because it seems that market is in a good position to go for a buy. So you can go for a buy, and this will be your take profit target. Because, and just keep in mind that I'll still say that the most important and the most strong level in the chart of Euro USD is this level and this level. Okay, so this is the strongest one, this is the second strongest, and this is the third strongest. Therefore, right now market is in the least strong one. So therefore, be a wise trader, trade wisely, trade with proper judgment, and trade with proper analysis. If you want to avoid trading right now, then you can avoid taking a position on Euro USD. Okay, this is my analysis. So if your analysis varies, and if you think otherwise, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.